Hey guys, Golden Fire here. This is me, my new Origami talking bird, designed by Swapnil. It's a really awesome origami model, and it's also really cute. He says it's like an angry talking bird, but I think it's more like a cute talking bird. See, it looks really cute. Like it's just one cute eye right there. And you pull the sides apart, and he talks. Hello everyone, I'm folded from a single square sheet of paper, also known as kami. I'm not really good at the mouth thing, so yeah. Here it is. It bites like Pac-Man. That small is made from a square base. You don't want to actually close the mouth all the way, because then it just unfolds like that, and you don't want that. You want like this. So I probably leave about that much when you make it talk. It kind of works the same way as a traditional talking bird. Well, there it is. A talking bird. Or a fish. Oops, sorry. Like I said, or a fish. Or a snail without a shell. If you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.